Here we are again. Hi. So another important thing. So we now did everything inside Typhoon and everything we can get out of that. Another important thing, which is quite interesting, I think, is there is also some output file generated. Of course, again, this is the graphic user interface. It has a lot less functionalities. You can access a lot more using the text user interface, but therefore this tutorial would be too long. So this graphic user interface is just more to get you started with this dynamic stability analysis, learn how to use it, and you can also make your own version of it using the text user interface and using MATLAB. But also this graphic user interface generates some output from your, for example, for your static equilibrium you want to calculate. Right here, I get it in there. There's also already some results in there, and it's all the previous results we've loaded. What it actually shows right now, it's some of these things are incorrectly placed, but it always starts after an indent. So right here, this was our new static equilibrium equation. And what we can see from this is our elevation, this is our trim angle in radians, this is our force, this is our moment, and from this step update, we'll remove update to get a better overview. From this step onwards, we get always also get our step size. Right here, it's 1, and that's probably why it looks a bit skewed, but it's not that as important. So again, elevation, trim angle, force, and moment. And here is our step size. And according to this, if you would put this inside Excel, we could see what this static equilibrium algorithm is doing and what is the problem and why sometimes it's possible that it's not able to converge. And then using this file, we can get an idea of whether or not it's able to converge. So this was just a quick outgoing about this